Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use an ECG diagram. An ECG diagram is a visual representation that provides information on how well the heart is functioning and how often the patient's heart beats. One can see these pieces of information in the form of waves and waveforms. What an ECG diagram contains varies depending on the creator of the resource. However, one can expect essential details and visuals involving reading an ECG to be standardized across resources. Our ECG diagram template uses the standardized visuals and the PQRST wave, a sample of an ECG of a patient with a normal sinus rhythm, and a dedicated space for any notes you may have. You may use this template as a basis for comparison or a document for any observations on a patient. To use our free ECG diagram, follow these steps. Download our ECG diagram from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Once you have a copy of the template, you can use it however necessary, such as taking down notes and using it as an educational tool to help your patients and younger practitioners understand their results better. Here is a sample of our ECG diagram, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our ECG diagram, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.